Welcome back to the I-427 garage, everybody. Well, good morning. It's the day before. We're getting ready to leave on our Texas trip. A lot of stuff to do. I've got to get the car loaded, but I've got to get Slithering out of the trailer first. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out to the trailer. I'm going to get it opened up. I'm probably going to get Slithering pulled out first and get it off to the side of the race trailer, and then we'll pull the Texas car in, and we'll get it strapped down, and then we'll see what happens. I'm going to have to move some of this stuff because we need to get the Texas car out of here. And we do have rain in the forecast today. So we want to get all the cars moved before we see any raindrops, because I don't feel like cleaning the cars, either the Texas car or Slithering. So I've got the keys to Slithering. We've got the trailer all opened up. What I do here is I park the trailer far enough ahead that I can put Slithering right in here, and then put the door up and go around the side of the trailer over here, and then get it turned around, get it in the backyard, and then we'll bring the Texas car in the same way. We'll kind of park it right up here with the door up, back it in, and then put it into the trailer. So a little bit more of a musical cars type of scenario than we had at the other shop, but nonetheless, not difficult. We'll take care of it, and we'll get Slithering out, get the Texas car in, and strap down. I just hope it starts. One little problem we had loading up the trailer was that the air dam in the front didn't want to get past the hinge of the trailer where the duckbill kind of folds down, so we had to remove it. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to pack this in the trailer, put some extra hardware in there for the owner so that he'll have it in case he hits something, and that's it. All right, that is going to do it. We've got the Texas car all loaded up in the trailer. Last thing to do is get the dually hooked up and be heading out first thing tomorrow morning. Got Slithering back here in the shop. And next week, we'll be on the road. And you guys can kind of keep track of us on Facebook. We'll update Facebook as far as where we're at, what's going on. And then next week, we'll hopefully show you the delivery of the Texas car to the owners there. Until then, if you're enjoying the content here, please do the like, the share, the subscribe, all that kind of stuff. We'll see you next time. Have a great day.